I didn't even know what this was, to be honest. My office manager, she knew we needed something. She went looking and she found you guys. And it was one of the best things that could have happened to us, because I started this company and it was just me. I wasn't ready for this explosive growth or this responsibility. And I needed a little bit of guidance. Didn't realize I needed the guidance. But now that I have it, I'm like, wow, if only I had this 11 years ago when I first started, where would I be now?
6 months ago, I went to Duquesne's SBDC, basically just looking for guidance. What should I do next? What should I focus on? Because I already had some clients, I had a business idea, I had an LLC, but in terms of where to go next, I was kind of lost. And that's where Duquesne's SBDC really offered a lot of guidance. What should I focus on? What should I not focus on? Where should I spend money? Where should I not spend money? No matter where you are in your entrepreneurial journey, it is 100% worth your time to consult with Duquesne's SBDC. Their guidance and insights have proven invaluable in my professional development, and I know they can be for yours as well.
Duquesne's SBDC has helped me immensely along the way. So not having a business background, coming into small business ownership, I definitely had a lot to learn just as far as the mechanics of running a business. It's been very helpful having a mentor, a business mentor to meet with regularly, and she really has helped me focus in on what should my priorities be for my business, where should I be focusing that limited time and energy that I have. So I'm so grateful for the support that I've received in that way, and just I can't recommend Duquesne's SBDC enough.
The Duquesne SBDC has been absolutely fantastic, and I needed to get a business plan together because being less than a year open, I'm still technically what you would consider a very new business. And so I had never made a business plan. I had never crunched any of my numbers. And if I had put together my own business plan, it would have been so far below what we were able to come up with. And so I really appreciate all the help that you guys were able to give me. Couldn't have done it without you.